Imagine walking through a hidden underground tunnel lined with Italian marble and stepping into a climate-controlled cathedral of chrome and carbon fiber, where $12 million worth of automotive history gleams under museum-quality lighting. This is not a fantasy. This is Tuesday morning for the owner of a Bel Air estate we are about to explore together. Welcome to a world where home garages rival the finest showrooms on earth. For most of us, a garage is a utilitarian space, somewhere to park the family car and store holiday decorations. But for an elite group of collectors and enthusiasts, the garage has evolved into something far more magnificent. These are spaces designed with the same care and precision as the vehicles they house, architectural masterpieces that celebrate the marriage of engineering excellence and artistic beauty. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on some of the most spectacular private automotive sanctuaries ever created. Let us begin our journey in the rolling hills of Malibu, California, where a sprawling 12-acre estate has redefined what it means to be a car collector. Hidden beneath the main residence lies a 22,000-square-foot subterranean gallery capable of housing 40 vehicles. But this is no ordinary basement. The entrance alone costs more than most homes. A hydraulic platform descends silently from the motor court, carrying your vehicle down into a world of polished concrete floors embedded with fiber optic lighting that creates the illusion of driving through a starfield. The walls are lined with hand-selected slabs of Calicut marble, and a custom ventilation system cycles the air every 4 minutes, ensuring that not a single particle of dust settles on the gleaming paintwork of a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO or the sculpted curves of a modern Pagani Huayra. The owner, a technology entrepreneur who prefers anonymity, commissioned a Japanese architect to design the space according to principles of minimalist Zen philosophy. Each vehicle occupies its own alcove, illuminated by adjustable LED strips that can simulate natural daylight or create dramatic shadows worthy of a film noir masterpiece. Temperature and humidity are maintained at precisely 68 degrees and 45% respectively, the optimal conditions for preserving both leather interiors and delicate paint finishes. But the true showpiece sits at the heart of this underground temple. A rotating platform, machined from a single block of aircraft-grade aluminum, displays the crown jewel of the collection, a 1963 Aston Martin DB5 originally owned by a member of European royalty. At the touch of a button, the platform spins slowly, allowing admirers to appreciate every angle of this automotive icon while a surround sound system plays a recording of its engine at full throttle. Now let us travel across the Atlantic to the Swiss Alps, where a different kind of automotive sanctuary awaits. Perched on a mountainside overlooking Lake Geneva, a contemporary masterpiece of glass and steel appears to float above the clouds. This residence, designed by a legendary Swiss architect, features a living garage concept that blurs the boundary between automotive storage and domestic living space. The great room of this home spans 8,000 square feet with floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the alpine panorama. But the true genius lies in what occupies the center of this vast space. Rather than traditional furniture groupings, 4 pristine supercars rest on individual glass platforms, their bodies reflecting the mountain light like kinetic sculptures. A Bugatti Chiron in Atlantic blue sits beside a vintage Lamborghini Miura in burnt orange, while a McLaren F1 in understated silver keeps company with a bright yellow Porsche 918 Spyder. These are not mere decorations. An ingenious system of retractable glass panels and hidden turntables allows each vehicle to be driven directly into the living space from an exterior access point. The owner, a former Formula One team principal, wanted to live among his machines, to see them first thing in the morning and last thing at night. The interior designer rose to the challenge, creating custom seating and lighting that complement rather than compete with the automotive centerpieces. Even the materials throughout the residence echo automotive excellence. The kitchen countertops are fashioned from the same carbon fiber used in racing chassis. Door handles throughout the home are machined from titanium and wrapped in leather by the same craftsman who creates steering wheels for Italian exotics. Every detail reinforces the seamless integration of automotive passion and luxury living. Our next destination takes us to the sun-drenched coast of Dubai, where excess is not merely accepted but expected. Within the palm-fringed grounds of a 40,000-square-foot palace, a 3-story automotive tower rises like a monument to combustion and horsepower. This cylindrical structure, clad in mirrored glass that reflects the Arabian Gulf, houses 68 vehicles on rotating platforms that operate like a giant vending machine for supercars. The owner, a member of one of the region's most prominent families, simply selects his desired vehicle from a touchscreen panel in the main residence. Within minutes, the automated system retrieves the chosen automobile and delivers it to a ground-level departure lounge complete with a fully staffed service bay. Teams of trained technicians stand ready around the clock to detail, fuel, and prepare any vehicle for immediate use. The tower itself is a climate-controlled environment where temperatures never exceed 65 degrees despite the punishing desert heat outside. A dedicated server room monitors every vehicle continuously, tracking tire pressures, battery levels, and even the condition of leather seats through an array of sensors. Should any parameter fall outside acceptable ranges, the owner receives an immediate notification on his private smartphone application. But perhaps the most impressive feature is invisible to the casual observer. Beneath the tower lies a quarter-mile private tunnel leading directly to a purpose-built test track hidden behind artificial dunes. When the mood strikes, our collector can select a Ferrari 488 Pista, descend through the tunnel, and be lapping his private circuit within 3 minutes without ever encountering a public road. Let us now visit a very different expression of automotive architecture in the Japanese countryside, where a renowned industrialist has created something truly unexpected. Nestled in a forest of ancient cedar trees, a traditional wooden structure built using centuries-old joinery techniques houses a collection of vintage motorcycles and classic Japanese sports cars. There is not a single nail in the entire building. Instead, master craftsmen using methods passed down through generations assembled this automotive shrine from hand-selected timber aged for 20 years before construction began. The interior glows with warm natural light filtering through rice paper screens. Tatami mats line a meditation space at the center of the building where the owner begins each day in quiet contemplation surrounded by his treasured machines. A pristine Toyota 2000 GT in white occupies the position of honor, flanked by a collection of early Datsun Z cars and vintage Honda motorcycles from the 1960s. This garage represents something different from the technological marvels we have seen elsewhere. It speaks to the spiritual connection between human beings and the machines they create, honoring the artistry and craftsmanship that transforms metal and rubber into objects of desire and devotion. As we conclude our journey through these extraordinary spaces, a clear truth emerges. For those who possess both the means and the passion, a garage becomes so much more than storage. It becomes a gallery, a sanctuary, a statement of identity, and a legacy to be treasured for generations. These collectors understand something profound. The vehicles we love deserve homes as extraordinary as the engineering and artistry they represent. When you invest millions in acquiring the rarest and most beautiful automobiles ever created, protecting and displaying them becomes an act of reverence. Whether carved from Swiss mountainsides, hidden beneath California estates, reaching toward Dubai skies, or crafted from ancient Japanese timber, these automotive sanctuaries remind us that true luxury lies in the passionate pursuit of perfection. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the